What's the one skill that turned ordinary people into CEOs, millionaires, even billionaires, and celebrities, while millions of others stayed exactly where they were, despite having degrees, talents, and years of hard work? And what if that same skill could completely change the way people see you, trust you, and open opportunities? Most people spend years chasing behind the success of countless millionaires, billionaires, CEOs, and world class achievers. It was not just a degree, it was not luck, and it definitely was not hard work alone. It was one skill, a skill most people spend their entire lives ignoring. Yet that vulnerability can become your greatest advantage, helping you close business deals, arc job interviews, build powerful relationship, and communicate your ideas so effectively that people do not just hear you, they trust you, they remember you, and they actually want to listen. History has proved this again and again. Imagine standing in front of 250k people with no money, no army, no political power, just your voice. That's exactly where Martin Luther King stood. In 1963, his famous I have a dream speech do not rely on force, it relied on words powerful enough to inspire millions and strengthen one of history's most important civil rights movements. That's the real power of communication. It does not change conservation, it changes the way people think. Most people think communication is simply about speaking well, but the truth is, it's much deeper than that. People do not follow the person who talks the most, they follow the person who makes them feel understood. Now, think about your own life for a moment, maybe back in school. Your opinions were rarely taken seriously. Teacher overlooked your ideas, even in your own family, on your circle of friends. Your words do not seem to carry much weight. But what if one day the very same relatives who once ignored your opinions start coming to for your advice before anyone else? Now imagine only one thing changed, not your intelligence, not your background, just the way you communicate. Suddenly, stop interrupting you. They listen more carefully. Your words begin to carry weight, and before you realize it, people start taking you seriously, not because you became smarter, but because you finally learned how to express what you already know. Sometimes the biggest difference is not what you know, it's how you make other people understood what you know. But here where communication become even most powerful, because communication is not just about speaking well, it's about building relationships, and every great relationship start a conversation. The better you communicate, the easier it becomes to earn people trust, and once people trust you, opportunities starting finding you. That exactly when networking began. But here, what almost nobody teaches, there are four psychological principles that are completely change the way people connect with you. Rule number one: speak less, say more. Most people think the more they speak, the smarter they sound. Reality: the more you talk, the less people remember. The less you speak, the more every word carries weight. Psychologists have found that the human brain processes clear, simple messages much faster than complicated ones. Start. That's why the fewer but more meaningful words you use, the more powerful your message becomes. You speak more, speak better. Rule number two: eye contact. Before people believe your words, their brain has already started judging you. The human brain forms an impression of trust long before it finishes processing what you are saying. That's why naturally eye contact instantly makes you appear more confident, more trustworthy, and more believable. Before people trust your words, they read your eyes. Rule number three: posture. Most people think confidence starts when you speak. In reality, it starts before you say a single word. Research shows that first impressions are performed within seconds before the conversations begin. That's why your posture communicates confidence long before your voice does. Stand, sit, move like someone who believes in themselves, because your body speaks even when your mouth does not. Rule number four: And the most important rule, confidence. Most people think powerful people want everyone around them to feel inferior. The truth is actually the opposite. Every single day, they are surrounded by people trying to impress them. What they really meet is someone who respects without shrinking themselves. Remember this, confidence is not believing you are better you are everyone else. It's refusing to believe you're less. Now you know how to make people listen, how to make your words carry weights, and how to communicate with confidence. But here a real question: is great communication really enough? Is it? Because one great conversation can change your day, but that relationship can change your entire future. And that's exactly where networking began. Because opportunities rarely come through strangers, they come through people already know they exactly where networking begins. But here, what's almost nobody teaches. There are four psychological principles that can completely change the way people connect with you. Master them, and people won't just remember you, they trust you, recommend you, open doors for you, and create opportunities most people spend years chasing. Rule number one, success is earned through trust. Having you ever noticed something stranger? The biggest opportunities rarely come directly from the most powerful person in the room. They usually come through someone that person already trusts. And that's not luck. It how human psychology works. People naturally trust family recommendation for more than cold introductions. One recommendation from the right person can achieve what 100 direct messages never will. So stop chasing the person at the top, starting building genius relationships with the people they already know and trust, because success is not earned at the front door, it's earned through trust. Rule number two, create value before you ask. Here the mistake almost everyone makes. The moments they meet someone successful, they ask for something, a favor, a meeting, a recommendation, an opportunity. But think about it for just a second. If hundreds of people ask the same person for helping every single week, why would they remember you? Human psychology works definitely. People remember those who create value before asking for it. So instead of asking, how can this person help? Ask yourself, how can I become useful to this person? Maybe you solve a problem, maybe you save their time, maybe you offer an idea nobody else noticed, because the fastest way to get someone attention to become useful before becoming memorable. Rule number three, the Ben Franklin effect. Here's something that sounds completely backward. Most people believe asking for help makes them look weaker, but psychology often works the opposite way. When someone does you a small favor, their brain immediately starts justifying that decision, almost as if it's saying, if I choose to help this person, they must be worth helping. So don't ask for something big. Ask one thought question. If you starting again today, that's the one thing you definitely, because great relationship rarely starts with big favors. They begins with small moments of trust. Rule number four, become so valuable they remember you first. Imagine this, you know 100 successful people, but not one of them think of you when an opportunity appears. Then your network is nothing more than a list of names. There is where most people get networking wrong. They think networking is about collecting connects. It not. Networking is not measured by how many people know you. It's measured by how many people think of you first when they need someone they can trust, because useful in a way that's difficult to replace, save people's time, solve problems other ignores, but a skill people naturally depend on, because that day people think of you before they think of anyone else. You stop chasing opportunities, opportunities start chasing you. At the end of the day, people will not remember how much you know. They remember how you made them feel, how valuable you became in their life. Because opportunities do not usually chase the smartest person, they chase the person people do not want to lose. Become that person.